front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner to create your audio file and add it. In order to do that, use middle button to start and end recording, restart button to get rid of it and start over, and attach one to add it to your message. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus icon at the bottom left corner instead. Hit Files and look for your audio one in one of those apps by hitting Audio at the top or selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Then tap on your file to attach it. If you want to add a video one, click on this icon of a camera and the photo. Tap on those two arrows next to folders and tap on record video. Then record it and add it thanks to this check mark. To add already existing video, click on it here or select folders, look for it and then click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!